Well, hello there, everyone. This is the Nailing FX Spot Forex Trading Simplified update for the session I did this morning in Ben Hoa City, Dong Nai Province, Vietnam, at the Pegasus Plaza, as I do every Wednesday at 10 a.m. here in Vietnam. And that's about 4 a.m. in London and 11 p.m. Tuesday evening on the U.S. East Coast. Let's get right into it. We did have some technical difficulties this morning. I was able to record the session. The session was recorded for YouTube. However, it did not stream live. A little bit of a technical glitch. But you'll be able to, I'll give you the link here, and you'll be able to watch that live session in the recording. We did a review of the trade that we put on last week. And next week on Wednesday, 10 a.m. Vietnam time, the first session, Nailing FX session, will be on FX Street. So tune into FX Street next week. Here's the links. The easiest way is to go to NailingFX Opa-Bert. Down here you see NailingFX Opa-Bert on Google. You'll get all that information. So I'm not going to give the disclaimer because it's going to be in the video. And so today what we did was we reviewed the last week, 21 October trade. Today is the 28th. Last week, put on the channel, the alerts, and the SET, and then did correlation with TradingView. Okay, so here's what it looked like last week. It looked like we were looking at a position where we set a buy limit for price to come down to our price with a stop and then a target up above. We were trading on a 15-minute chart simply because many people were asking for more trades. They wanted more trades, and to get more trades you've got to go to a lower time frame. And then we put that trade on. You can see it was put on. We correlated with TradingView using the UFOs, the unfilled order zones, to help us find the right trades. And then what happened the next day, we can see here that price actually moved in our favor. We were anticipating that price was going to come down, take us in, and then go up. But what happened was it did come down, but it continued down further than we expected. It was a very tight stop. So let's take a look at what happened. Here are the trade results. We set this up. Here was the entry, and we had a 4-pip stop loss. Obviously, looking back, that was a very tight stop loss for an 11-pip trade. We ended up losing about $4 on this trade based on a mini. All right, so not a really good session in terms of trading. So what happened next was we went and looked for some trades, and what we found, let me get this, if I can escape here. No, I have to go here. What we found was that there was a potential for a trade here. This is the trade that we set up today. We'll take a look at how that pans out next week. We have a trade on the GBP USD. Again, this was a sell limit where we were anticipating price to come up to our limit order and then drop down. Looked like a good setup here on the 15-minute with the TradingView. So there you see, there's what we were looking for, price to come up and then come back down here. And so we'll look at this next week.